Hello viewers and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. In this video I'll show you how to bake a perfect spongy bakery style tea cake. It is very easy to bake a cake at home if you know the exact consistency of the ingredients. And if you follow the exact method, you will get an excellent result. As you can see that the cake is very soft and spongy like bakery cake. Without oven also you can bake it easily. In today's video I'll show you how to bake in oven. In my upcoming video, some other video, I'll show you without oven also how to bake it easily in stove. 3 eggs I have added in a round shaped vessel. Let's separate the yolk from the white. Let's beat the egg white with the help of an electric beater. Continuously for 1 minute you have to beat. If you don't have an electric beater, then you can use hand beater also. But it takes 3 to 4 minutes to beat if you use a hand beater. Simultaneously add around half a cup of sugar to it. That is 60 grams of sugar while beating. And beat it again for around half a minute. Adding the egg yolks also. Let's beat all together for around 2 more minutes. Adding 250 grams of melted butter now. Salted or unsalted, any butter you can use. Let's beat it until the soft peaks form. You can see that the soft peak have started forming. As my kids are in leave today and they wanted me to bake a cake for them, so they are helping me out to bake it. At this point, let's sieve and add around 100 grams of maida, that is all-purpose flour. You should not add the whole flour at once. Add little by little and mix it. Sieving and adding is very important to get a soft and spongy cake. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to it. Don't add baking soda, you have to add baking powder. With the help of a spatula, just mix it well, adding little vanilla essence. If you want, you can add, and if you don't want, you can skip it. Just mix it well. Mix it continuously so that there should be no lumps in it. Now you can see that it has become soft and the consistency should be like this. Let's take a baking tray. Place a butter paper on it like this. Grease the butter paper with some butter or oil, including the side walls, so that the cake batter should not stick it. Now let's pour the cake mixture on it. Tap and adjust it and break the bubbles if there is any on the surface. Let's preheat the oven at 220 degree for 5 minutes at convection mode, and we have to bake the cake for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Now it's over and well baked. Let's take it out carefully. The cake is very hot now. With the help of a toothpick, let's check whether it's done. It's not sticking, so it means it's very well done. Just leave it until it cools down completely. After it cools down completely, you can easily take it out with the help of the butter paper. Let's remove the butter paper. You can see it's not sticking to the butter paper and it has come out separately. Now let's cut it into pieces. You can see how easily and how nicely we have baked a cake at home. Only thing you have to do it, you have to be very attentive and You should know the exact consistency. That's all. Our soft and spongy bakery style vanilla tea cake is ready. Make and share your comments with me. See you in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.